Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Italian meatloaf. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Tefal deep pan. I have 2 pounds of hamburger here and roughly 2 pounds of ground sausage. I'm going to add a large onion in that I diced up. I'm also going to add in 2 eggs. Dexter's all wound up, guys. Now I have a cup of grated Parmesan cheese here. I'm going to add in about half of that. Set this over here because my oven's hot. I don't want that to melt. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, or 2 teaspoons. A tablespoon of garlic salt, and you can most certainly cut this back if you feel the need. You should also use garlic powder. A tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And I'm just eyeballing this, guys. Okay, that's looking good. A half a cup of ketchup. And I'm just mixing it all together in this pan here because this is a super non-stick pan and just saves me dishes. You can also do this in a bowl and then transfer it to your baking pan. I'm going to put in some Italian breadcrumbs. I'm going to go for probably about a half a cup. I'm going to get in here and mix this all up, guys. Okay guys, now that I have all my ground beef and sausage mixed up, I'm just going to go ahead and press the meat down into the pan and make a nice flat level layer. You could also form these into loaves if you like, but I'm just doing it this way, and then when it sets up at the end we'll just cut pieces out. You just want to press it down even. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven uncovered for about 20 minutes. That way if there's any grease that's going to surface out of this, I'll pull it out and I'll drain the grease off so we don't have greasy meatloaf when it's done. Alright guys, my meatloaf went for that 20 minutes. I drained off the excess grease. Now I'm going to take a little more Italian seasoning and sprinkle it on top of the meatloaf. And don't mind that frying sound, guys. I have some fried potatoes over here going to go along with the meatloaf. Okay, now I'm going to put this back in that 400-degree oven uncovered for another half hour. Then we're going to pull it out and add the rest of that cheese on top. Alright guys, now I pulled this out of the oven. I'm going to take a little bit of pasta sauce. It doesn't matter what name brand or what variety it is. This is just meat flavored. And I'm going to smear a little bit of this on top of the meatloaf. Just a thin layer. You can see my meatloaf receded back pretty far in the pan, but that's alright. It's still going to taste good. Alright guys, now the rest of that grated Parmesan cheese I'm going to spread on top of here, and I'm going to put this back in that 400-degree oven uncovered for a few minutes just so the cheese melts and the sauce heats up, and then this will be ready to go. Alright guys, my meatloaf's done, the cheese is all nice and melted. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I served it up with those fried potatoes I told you about earlier in the video. Now guys, if you're worried about having dry meatloaf, look at how moist that looks. Let me get in there and give that a try. It's really well seasoned. Nice Italian taste with the Italian seasoning, the garlic, or with the onion powder in there. Garlic powder. Garlic salt. Oh, I know I get it right with garlic salt. Cheese on top and the sauce. That's really good. It's really moist, guys. Alright, there you have it. Italian meatloaf. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.